lineup. The 2017 Volvo XC90 offers 3 powertrains, T5, T6, T8, each in 2 or 3 trim levels. Prices are MSRP and do not include a destination charge. XC90 T5 Momentum, $45,750, has front-wheel drive, the 250 horsepower engine, 5-passenger seating, panoramic moonroof, and navigation. All-wheel drive is optional, $2,000. T5R design, $51,150, has a sportier look, due to distinctive exterior and interior trim, a unique grille, and dual tailpipes. Included are sport seats with contrasting inserts, and 20-inch alloy wheels. XC90 T6 Momentum, $52,250, comes with a 316 horsepower engine, all-wheel drive, leather upholstery, 7-passenger, 3-row, seating, and heated front seats. XC90 T6R design, $56,250, is the sporty version of T6. XC90 T6 Inscription, $57,350, focuses on luxury amenities, including Napa leather, walnut wood inlays, and a 12.3-inch display screen. XC90 T8R design, $67,800, is the sporty rendition of the plug-in hybrid. XC90 T8 Inscription, $68,900, gets the plug-in hybrid powertrain, all-wheel drive, and 19-inch wheels. XC90 T8 Excellence, $104,900, has 4-passenger seating and a full load of premium amenities, including individual reclining rear seats with massaging, a folding table, full Napa leather, open-pore wood, and a refrigerator. Walk-around. The XC90 presents a fresh approach to Volvo's long-standing traditions. Visually contemporary and timeless, the body is serenely elegant and wholly unpretentious, nearly the opposite of some flashier competitors. Classic SUV design is evident, but integrated with aerodynamic contours and crisp lines. Interior. Spacious for up to 7 occupants, the XC90 cabin veers away from the norm, as seen in Japanese or German brands. Few, if any, competitors have managed to merge judicious design with lush detail work, in so adept a manner. Carefully stitched leather upholstery melds with textured metal and optional matte wood, conveying a hint of soothing Scandinavian furniture. Seats promise sublime comfort, with those in front adjusting in a variety of angles. Second-row seats can slide fore and aft. 2 adults can fit in the third row, though leg space might be limited. Because each row is a tad taller than the one ahead, everyone gets a good view, helped by big side windows. The standard panoramic sunroof can provide an additional shower of light. On the dashboard, the Sensus 9.0-inch touchscreen is quite intuitive, easy to use, and promptly responsive. Controls feel crisply confident, and graphics are readily legible. Road noise and wind sounds are largely stifled, helping to convey a sense of calmness. Bigger wheels emit more noise than the standard 18-inchers. Not everything is ideal. Only one USB port is available, while sun visors are oddly basic. With all seats upright, cargo volume totals 15.8 cubic feet. Fold the third row flat, and space grows to 41.8 cubic feet, then to 85.7, if second row seatbacks are down.